door. Front door.
Holy cow. Welcome to another video. Now, as you saw in the thumbnail, we're getting some big brakes. Let me show you what's happening with them, yeah? I guess it's not too bad, I guess, but I don't have my little, my little pad to like hold you guys. But what's going on, guys? Holy cow. It's been a minute since I've done an actual video with my face in it and talking to you guys and whatnot. It's been a long time, probably like at least 6 months. I think 4 or 5 months ago I did the last vid. God damn, dude, I turned off my camera on accident. It's been that long, bro. I don't know what happened, man. Life has been lifing and baby's babying. Just now, man, we have a trip that we're gonna take this GX on. And the brakes are terrible. Also, we got in an accident. They crashed the GX. I'll put some pictures here so you guys can see what happened, and then I'll show you right now when we get to the place how it looks now. You guys probably know this guy that we're gonna head to. Angelo. He's the one that did my headlights on the what's it called, on the see, my head goes like every time. We need to change the brakes. Brakes are going to be changed, but I think we got full ceramic brakes front and back with, I think, drilled and slotted rotors, and of course just the pads. So we're going to be changing those. And then, yeah, we're gonna go head to Angelo's shop. He's gonna help us install these things and hopefully fix this issue.
Coming back.
How I call it, the graveyard of Subarus. That's where the Subarus come to die. That's what I say. Yeah.
Como estos son derechos recíprocos y
And there you have it, guys. First side done. Holy crap, look at that. Oh man, you can't really see it with these type of wheels, I guess, because they're so, like, the bulges are so thick. But once you see it from like the side, and like, damn, 4-piston calipers, new brake pads, new rotors, should brake perfectly fine. We're gonna do the other side and go from there. And I don't know if that's how it's supposed to sound because they're brand new brakes. Let me know if they're supposed to sound that way. But brakes normal. No problems yet, aside from that weird sound that you can hear when I brake. But other than that, it feels good. No more stuttering, you know what I mean? Feels great. That noise is kind of weird. I'm pretty sure it'll fade with time. I think, I would hope. If it's not, let me know what you think it is or what you know it is. I really don't know. It's not often that I change brakes on vehicles, so I really don't know if that's how it's supposed to sound or if it's supposed to sound that way for now because they're brand new brakes, ceramic pads and all that. I really don't know. So if you guys can illuminate my way, that would be freaking awesome. On another note, we will do a quick cinematic shoot of how the vehicle sits as it is right now with the new brake pads and rotors. I mean, you can't really see the brake pads, but the brake rotors, they look freaking awesome, as you guys can tell from the videos. I'm in love. It looks so good. And now when we're in the trails, we'll probably have a little bit more stopping power than what we used to have, especially with the brakes being all messed up. They were messed up from the pads. The rotors weren't that messed up, but they were getting there a little bit. But now they're pretty much fixed and we're able to go anywhere. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I really do appreciate every single one of you because somehow I'm still getting subscribers, somehow I'm still getting the views. I am out of words of you guys are just freaking awesome, guys, and I really appreciate every single one of you, every single one that watches my reels, my shorts and my videos themselves. Just stay tuned, guys. Subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it. Comment what you guys think about the new rotors and what the heck that sound is, because I still don't know. I'm driving right now, I haven't stopped, so I hope it's just that they need to settle and whatnot, and I hope that's all it is. But if it is something that I need to be concerned about, please let me know. I really don't know. But thank you guys again so much for watching today's video, and stay tuned until next time. Peace out. Enjoy the cinematic shoot. Yeah.